I am Madhusudan from ReNew. I am a Director of State Affairs. We at ReNew, we are the leading renewable energy company with solar and wind energy generation. We contribute towards a greener and cleaner tomorrow. And we are proud to be part of Prayoga Institute, which is one of the leading research institute which nurtures young minds to think about the new generation. And today they organized this iGym. I am proud to be a part of that. And in addition to that, we are associated with Prayoga for a sustainable clean energy generation through solar panels. We have installed 60 kilowatt of solar panels, which generates clean energy and reduces carbon emission for Prayoga.